Hi y'all, good morning. I'm Chris, I'm with Deadcom Outdoors. Welcome back to another video. We are out on Murrells Inlet this morning, and it is a beautiful morning. Man, I can't wait to hook into something here today. But today we're going to be targeting some flounder, trout, redfish. The tide is just starting to kind of switch around. It's going out right now. So we've got about, I'm going to say about 4 hours of fishing. We got some weather that's going to be moving in, so that's going to kind of dictate my day and how far away from the landing I get. But we're going to be throwing some artificials and see what we can pick up. So here we go. We got something running around up in here. Can't say that I didn't catch anything, guys. Look at that. Matter of fact, I think that is a small little redfish. Look at that. We're getting down towards, you know, the bottom end of the tide. Probably only have another couple hours before low tide. So all the bait fish are now starting to push out to the creek mouths, and that is where everything is going to be congregating and feeding. So we want to make sure that we're targeting around these areas. You can see the bait fish coming in, or I should say going out of the creek. I have a feeling my luck's about to turn, boys. Got a little beasties on the radio. That's what I'm talking about. Ha There we go. See if we got him hooked this time, which I think we do. Yeah, we got him hooked this time. We got him hooked this time, guys, and he is wanting to stay down. Oh, guys, beautiful big flounder here. Big flounder. He's not ready. He is not ready yet. I got him. Beauty. Oh yeah. He was the one right there. He is not happy with me. we're gonna get a measurement on him. He's probably one of the bigger ones I got this year. Woo, 17. Yeah, 17 and a quarter. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't up there quite all the way. Yeah, so he's 17 inches, guys. He is a keeper in South Carolina. Nice flounder. Good one for today. Let's get him back in the water. Woo, he wants out of here. Did not have my camera on, but I just released a 15-inch flounder. I never even thought that my camera was off. Gosh, you guys. What a rookie mistake. We may have one right here. Here we go, 2. There we go. Nice fish on. All right. Guys, that is actually my 3rd. Because I did not have the camera on to the 2nd one. That's crazy. That's almost too funny. There we go. Well, stop your flopping around. Alright, he's probably 14. He's a little short. Oh, and he spit that right out. Alright. Get a release on him here. Woo! Little flounder. Yeah, I'm letting you loose. There we go. The tide has changed and the bite is on. So that's usually what happens once that slack tide flips around. It just triggers these fish again. There we go, guys. Good one here. Yeah, I like it. He's a nice flounder too. Good fish here, guys. Probably one of the better of the day. Guys, this is a freaking doormat. This is maybe PB flounder. I think it is PB flounder. Broke off. Oh well. All right, guys, What a good day on the water. It got 4 fish. Well, the one I lost at the boat, I'm gonna count that one. He was right here. So 4 fish, okay? You guys weren't there, I was here, it's 4. So the second one, obviously I didn't get on camera. Sorry about that, guys, but it is what it is. They were all caught on the Voodoo Shrimp. It was the Cajun pepper with chartreuse tail. Boy, that's what they wanted today. So what a great day. Guys, if you like this kind of video, I've got some other saltwater videos of Murrells Inlet fishing. I will have those here at the end so that you guys can click on those and check them out. Again, you guys know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, like it, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.